There's something about being right at the foothills. There's this energy that's palpable right here on our campus. You walk from classroom to classroom and there are bunnies hopping around and deer walking through the campus, and you really feel in a magical place. It feels like community more than just a school.
I think it's a common testimony for parents coming towards Waldorf education. They meet teenagers or young adults who are graduates of Waldorf education. And it's common to hear parents say, I want my children to be like that.
I don't work with the students from a point of view that my job is to teach them things and to form them. They're perfectly formed as they are. That's really what we talk about when we talk about things being developmentally appropriate at a Waldorf school, and letting the student come into their own love of learning, letting the student become the most themselves they can be.
Waldorf students are much more likely to start a business of their own. It's because they have skills that are much more useful out in the world. I think they're way better prepared, not just for college, but for actually just for the world outside of college, as we more and more say, you have to decide what you want to do. What do you want to spend your time on? What are you passionate about? What do you want to work on when no one's paying you to do it? Our students are the ones who don't even pause. They're already doing that thing.
It is my mission in life, more now so than ever, to bring Waldorf education into the present moment and into the future, and to bring it to as many families as possible. I really see Waldorf education as being the way that humans are going to develop and move into the new capacities they need for the future.
My hopes for Shining Mountain Waldorf education is that it continues to grow. And it all starts in early childhood. That's the base of the pyramid. That's where everything starts from. My hope is that we, as a school, as Shining Mountain Waldorf School, can get our message out to the community, the state, the country, all around the world.